Hello everyone, and welcome to a Lightbox Lite tutorial. Today we'll be looking at adding content into Lightbox Lite galleries. Lightbox Lite galleries allow you to display folders of multimedia. To begin creating galleries, simply launch the manager, select your project, and click on Gallery. In Lightbox Lite, you're able to create sub-galleries, which are galleries within galleries. First, we'll look at creating a standard gallery which contains multimedia in the root. To add a gallery, simply add an image. Then a title. You can choose whether the title is displayed on the front end like so. And leave the "Will have sub-galleries" box unticked. We will go over this soon. Click Save once you're happy with your first gallery. Now the gallery has been created, you need to add your multimedia. To do so, access the gallery by clicking the image. Click Add Gallery File and choose your media. The item's name will automatically be added as the title. You can manually change this if required. Add a title and description. Select a custom thumbnail if you want, or let Lightbox Lite create the thumbnail from the item automatically. It will only set automatically with image and video files. Make sure to press Save once you're happy. For audio and PDF files, you will need to add a custom thumbnail. Once you're happy, click Save. Repeat this process to add all of the gallery items you wish. You have three options for the gallery layout. Standard, which displays like so. Justified, which displays like so. Note, when using this layout, we recommend you add enough media files to fill the screen. As you can see, this gallery doesn't suit the justified layout, as it doesn't have enough images. And the last option is full screen. This displays like so. With this layout, you can choose to disable further information by ticking the slider only mode box. This means users will simply see the media item as a full screen slideshow, like so. I'm going to choose the standard layout as it would suit this gallery best. As mentioned earlier, you can create galleries within galleries if you wish. This is done in the same way as you create a normal gallery, however you tick the "Will have sub-galleries" box upon completion, like so. Choose your sub-gallery layout. And press Save. You can then enter the gallery and create the sub-galleries in the same way as a normal gallery. You can even have subgalleries within subgalleries if you want. Create your first subgallery like so. And hit save. Create as many as you wish. Click into a subgallery and select your media items. And choose a gallery layout for your subgallery. Then do the same for your other subgalleries. You're able to edit an existing gallery in the following ways. You can change the title by selecting Edit like so. You can also change the gallery items. First, you can delete an item like so. Secondly, you can change the image used for an item by selecting the item. Choose Add Gallery File again. Select the new image and click Save. If you highlight an existing gallery item and want to unselect it to add a completely new item, simply press Reset, like so. If you highlight an existing item and choose Add Gallery File without pressing Reset, you will simply edit that item. Lastly, you can change the order of items by swapping their position. The item position is listed to the left of the title. Select an item and in the order box type the position you would like to swap it with. Select Swap and the item will now be swapped. You can use this method to add completely new items to a gallery and change their order. Now simply do this to create as many galleries as you need. We then recommend you test your content using an Android emulator. See the tutorial on how to do this, the link is in the description. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please feel free to get in touch. For more information, head to interpretationshop.co.uk. Thanks for watching.